here for breakfast, and it's 7 degrees. You can see that. But the view though, damn! Oh, big. I don't mind this. Yes, thank you. Yes, coffee. Ooh, warmth. It's 9:30 and we headed off to Lower Pisang first, and then we trek onto Manang. It's about 6 hours, 7-ish. So yeah, we're gonna take our time. At this elevation, we have to really take it slow because the lack of oxygen can really kill you. So yeah, it's a very cold day, cold morning I'd say. But I think just look at that. Yeah, that's Annapurna too. And yeah, at this elevation, walking and talking doesn't make sense. So I'm already wearing gloves because it's so cold. Yeah, onwards.
You stayed in Lower Pisang? Apa?
Yeah.
Everything's okay, so?
I'm fine, good.
Yeah.
Good, we're strong, but he's little unshaven.
Oh no. What? Yeah. Starting to get hot. I'm gonna jack it off. Let's go.
ठ्याक्कै यति एक पप्का नै जाने अनि
Taking a jeep to Manang. Yeah, we're cheating. Yeah, we're cheating.
I go backside. See the other side.
In Manang, we had an easy start today. We took a jeep, we cheated. Nothing is planned, so whatever. We can take a rest and acclimate for 2 nights before we head on to Trongla for the next 3-4 days. Yeah, we better save our energy before we head to higher elevation. So usually people acclimate at Manang 2-3 days maybe. So yeah, this is a spot. There's a lot of tea houses and hotels here, so choose whatever you want. It's overwhelming how many tea houses there are. I'm gonna rest up, lunch, and rest. You've been hiking, I'm already out of breath. ready. Lunch is ready. Oh, by the way, we changed tea house because look at this. Just look at this. Just look at this. How would you pass a guest house like this? On lunchtime. Lunchy. Yes. Hello. So we're staying 2 nights here to acclimate. Probably walk around afterwards. It's kind of a big village, so there's maybe something to do, maybe not. I was reading a book. What book are you reading? Elon Musk. And after you finish reading, what do you do?
Tear them off.
to shed some weight. So it's a good idea. Good tip. We got a yak burger. So Rishi. Yeah. It's 900 rupees. $9. That yak burger was 100%. Whew, now we chill. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Wow, I can see the moon. That's the moon. Right there. And that's Mars. Oh, focus. See that red dot? That's Mars. If the moon wasn't out, you can probably see the Milky Way right behind the moon, because the moon and the Milky Way right now is totally aligned, but the moon is too bright, so you can't even see the Milky Way. Day 2 in Manang. Oh fuck, got chili sauce. Ella has been talking to guides about the temperature for the next few weeks. It's going to be bad. It's going to be rainfall. So we have to detour for a while to Telicho Lake, and we have to take our time until next week when the rain comes down. Then we head on to Trongla. Manang. To Manang, we go up to Telicho. After that we take our time, go back to Telicho.
You to Telicho Manang?
We go back to Kangsa, then split off into Ka or Kusang.
Telicho ada village
Yeah, there's a high camp, a base camp. Maybe we base on this one, base camp.
But that's like 1 whole week not being able to do anything because of the rain.
Yep. I think Tal means lake. Annapurna Tal, that's a lake. Telicho Tal Lake. Biggest and highest lake in the world. Wow. Chipla don't even have a root, yeah. Salah. So we started here from Basisaha. Oh, we took a bus from Basisaha to Ngadi all the way to Girmu. And this is where we fucked up. We went to Chipla, and to Jegat. That was the worst track ever. And go to Sjangeli Tal. From Tal, we hitch a ride on a tractor, Darapani, and we hiked all the way to Danakyu to Timang. Stayed at night, all the way to Chame, go to Upper Pisang. Then we went down to Lower Pisang, took a jeep all the way to Manang. That's where we are now. And the plan is to go to Telicho and back and up to here, and we see the weather for upcoming days and before we head to Trong La Paz. Pastries. Ooh. Namaste.
Namaste.
Oh, look nice.
Thank you.
How much? This one?
200.
What?
Ini dua nak sekarang apple pie. Which one nicer? Apple pie or apple crumble?
Your choice.
Kau ambil satu, aku ambil satu lah. Kita try.
Can we take one each?
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Got our pastry sorted. Yum. Ooh. Sedap ke?
Hot.